voice outside her, talking to me, whispering wisdom in my ear, telling me to be aware that nature has got to be. The sky is blue, further up there, clouds are looking down upon me, wondering what is happening here, that nature has got to be. The earth is quaking beneath my feet, I can see the fields torn apart, farmers screaming, please help me, that nature has got to be. Ain't singing anymore, they're tired of empty words, and they're all sad 'cause you don't care, that nature has got to be. The wind is gently touching my hair, calling out my name in tears. The world is not what it used to be, so take some damn responsibility.